proactive English practice.
Mark! Lisa! Wake up!
What's wrong?
Grandpa, are you okay?
The horses are gone!
Mark, are you ready?
Almost. I can't find my jacket.
It's on the chair. You left it there yesterday.
Oh, thanks.
Did you pack your boots?
Yes, it's a farm. We need boots.
I made sandwiches for the drive.
That's smart. It's a long trip.
Grandpa sounded tired on the phone.
He works too much alone.
I worry about him sometimes.
Me too. That's why this weekend is important.
We'll help him with the animals.
And spend time together.
I miss the farm.
I miss the quiet mornings.
And fresh air.
Ready now?
Yes, let's go.
There you are!
Grandpa,
It's so good to see you.
Come here. Let me look at you.
you look strong.
I'm fine. Just busy. Always busy.
Not this weekend. We're here to help.
That makes me very happy.
The farm looks beautiful.
I try my best. It's hard alone.
We'll stay as long as you need.
Good. I want to show you something.
The horses?
Yes, they're special.
Oh, wow. They're beautiful.
They're bigger than I imagined.
This white one is Star.
She looks calm.
She is very gentle.
And that brown one?
That's Thunder, strong and fast.
And the small one?
Daisy, she follows me everywhere.
They trust you.
I talk to them every morning.
Really?
Yes, they listen better than people sometimes.
They mean a lot to you, don't they?
They remind me of your grandma.
We understand.
When I feel lonely, I come here.
You're not alone anymore.
Not this weekend. The pigs are hungry.
Let's feed them.
This bucket is heavy.
I'll help you.
You two work well together.
We try.
Tomorrow, we wake up at 5.
5?
The animals don't sleep late.
Okay, 5 it is. Today was nice.
Yes, Grandpa looked happy.
The horses really help him.
They give him a reason to wake up early.
5 o'clock tomorrow.
Farm life.
I don't mind.
Me neither.
I'm glad we came.
Me too.
Good night.
Good night.
Stop here. Are you sure this is the place? Yes, I checked it last week. It's very quiet. Good. That means everyone is asleep. I still don't like this. These horses are expensive. It's just an old man.
Exactly. Easy target.
What if someone wakes up?
We'll be quick. 10 minutes.
I hope so.
Take the rope. Let's move.
The white horse is looking at us.
Stay calm. Don't scare her.
She's nervous.
Give her some food.
Okay, she's coming closer.
Good. Tie the rope gently.
What about the other two?
We take all 3.
That's risky.
More money.
Hurry.
Move them to the truck. Quietly.
Good morning. Star? Thunder? Daisy? No. They're gone. Mark! Lisa! Wake up!
What's wrong?
Grandpa, are you okay?
The horses are gone!
Gone? What do you mean?
The stable is empty!
That's impossible.
I went outside to feed them. I always feed them at 5.
Maybe they got out?
No, the gate is open. The rope is on the ground.
Someone was here?
Yes, someone took them.
Calm down. We'll look around.
All 3 were here last night.
We'll find them. I promise.
They're all I have.
We're here now. We'll fix this. Look at this.
Footprints.
2 people.
And tire marks.
A truck was here.
They loaded them into a truck.
The tracks are fresh.
That means they're not far.
Let's follow them.
I still see the tracks.
Good.
They turned left.
That road goes to old farms.
Nobody lives there.
Perfect place to hide horses.
I'm nervous.
Stay calm.
Look, a truck.
And a barn.
This must be the place.
park behind the trees.
Okay.
Let's walk slowly. There's a window.
Can you see inside?
Wait,
What?
I see a horse.
Which one?
Star.
Are the others there?
Yes, all three.
Are they hurt?
No, just scared.
Thank God.
We need the police. Hello. 3 horses were stolen.
What is your location?
Old farm on Miller Road.
Are the suspects there?
Yes.
Stay hidden. Officers are on the way.
How long?
10 minutes.
That feels long. What if they see us?
Stay calm.
I hear voices.
Don't move.
I'm scared.
I'm here.
Police, don't move!
What?
On the ground!
Wait.
Hands behind your back. It wasn't my idea. Save it for the judge. Are these your horses?
Yes.
They belong to our grandfather.
They're safe now.
Thank you, officer.
You did the right thing calling us.
I see them.
They're back.
Star! Daisy! Thunder!
They're safe.
I can't believe it!
We followed the tracks.
You saved them! I don't have much in this world.
You have us.
And we have you.
These horses remind me of your grandma every day.
That's why we had to find them.
I'm so proud of you both. Sit down. Eat.
I'm starving.
This smells amazing.
You deserve a good breakfast.
It was a long morning.
But a good ending. Will you come back soon?
Of course.
We promise.
The farm feels nicer when you are here.
We feel happier when we are with you.
Thank you for everything.
We love you.
I love you more.